नहीं, हृदय नहीं वो पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं।
Freedom in mind, strength in words, purity in our hearts and pride in our souls. Freedom is not something that is given to you. It is something that you have to take. We are lucky to be in a country where right to freedom is every citizen's fundamental right.
A very heartfelt morning to everyone present here. I, Sargun,
And I, Anand,
welcome you all to today's special assembly presented by 5C. We celebrate the 78th Independence Day of a beloved country, India.
the idea of being an independent nation where power lies in the hands of the people places a huge responsibility on the shoulders of its citizens. 15 August is a day to remember and to honor our freedom fighters.
Let us begin the day by seeking blessings from our Almighty and Eternal God. I request you all to stand and join your hands to begin the day with a prayer.
thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought of the day is freedom never comes free. It must be earned through commitment, courage, and sacrifice. Thank you.
Thank you, Sukhmani, for sharing such a meaningful thought with us. Reading news enhances our knowledge and awareness about the world around us. I invite my friends Aryansh, Arshdeep and the staff to update us with the latest news.
Today's news. The SWS conference and inter-school competition was successfully conducted at Smart Wonder School, Mohali, between 8th and 10th August 2024. Students from a number of schools across the Tri-City participated in different events. The theme of the events was 21st Century Skills. India will generate 500 gigawatt from non-fossil sources by year 2030. Biochemist Mr. Govindarajan has been selected for the first Vigyan Ratna Award, the topmost science award.
SWS organized a football tournament held for the students of junior wing classes 3 to 5. In the first round, intersection matches were held for grade and the winners are for grade 3, girls of 3D won the match, boys of 3C won the match. For grade 4, girls of 4C won the match, boys of 4D won the match. For grade 5, girls of 5C won the match, boys of 5A won the match. In the final round of the football tournament, inter-class competitions were held in which the boys and girls of grade 5 won the final match. India has bagged 6 medals in total at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Manu Bhaker became the first Indian ever to win 2 bronze medals in a single Olympics. Weather report. The weather today will remain cloudy and windy with possibility of rain and thunderstorm. The maximum temperature on Sunday was 31 degree and the minimum temperature remained 27 degree with high humidity. Thank you.
Dear friends, freedom was hard to get. Our national heroes, our freedom fighters, have made many sacrifices and made it possible.
Our independence plays a very important role in our life. Let's try to find out what significance it holds in the lives of many of our fellow countrymen. Excuse me, आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस है।
हाँ जी, वो तो है।
आज का दिन आपके लिए क्या खास मायने रखता है?
आज छुट्टी का दिन है, मैं अपनी फैमिली को घुमाने लेके जा रहा हूँ।
तो क्या आपके लिए स्वतंत्रता दिवस सिर्फ एक छुट्टी का दिन है?
और नहीं तो क्या, हम हर दिन इतनी मेहनत से काम करते हैं, एक ही दिन तो छुट्टी मिलती है, वो भी एंजॉय ना करें।
इनके लिए तो ये सिर्फ एक छुट्टी का दिन है। चलिए आगे चलते हैं और जानने की कोशिश करते हैं उस मैडम की विशेष राय। एक्सक्यूज मी मैडम, स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है?
आज तो छुट्टी का दिन है, मुझे पार्लर जाना है, शॉपिंग करनी है, 1-2 फंक्शंस भी अटेंड करने हैं और हाँ, आज हमने किटी पार्टी भी प्लान की है। आई एम वेरी बिजी टुडे।
इनके लिए भी आज का दिन सिर्फ एक पार्टी का दिन है और इन्हें काफी सारे फंक्शन भी अटेंड करने हैं। चलिए अब हम चलते हैं इस चाय वाले के पास और जानने की कोशिश करते हैं उनकी राय। भाई साहब, आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस है।
आज तो छुट्टी का दिन है, चारों तरफ आजादी ही आजादी है। आज तो कमाई का दिन है, आज खूब पैसे कमाऊंगा। और मैडम जी, आप कह रही हैं कि आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस है, लेकिन वो तो 26 जनवरी को आता है ना, आज कैसे आ गया? लगता है मैडम आप भूल रही हैं, जरा ठीक से याद कीजिए।
इनके लिए तो स्वतंत्रता दिवस को आने में भी काफी वक्त है, 26 जनवरी को जो आता है। चलिए हम चलते हैं हमारे किसान भाई के पास और जानते हैं उनकी राय। स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है भाई साहब?
मैडम, किसकी स्वतंत्रता और कैसी स्वतंत्रता? किसान पहले भी गुलाम था और आजादी कितने सालों बाद आज भी गुलाम है। क्या आपको हमारी हालत देखकर लगता है हम स्वतंत्र हैं?
सच में हमारे गरीब किसान भाइयों की हालत देखकर लगता नहीं कि हमारे देश को आज़ादी मिले इतना वक्त हो गया है। चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे देश के एक वीर जवान से और जानते हैं उनकी राय। सर, स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है?
मैडम, जब तक हमारे मुल्क का एक भी दुश्मन जिंदा है, तब तक हम चैन से नहीं बैठेंगे। जय।
Let's now talk to one of our businessmen. Sir, what are your thoughts on Independence Day?
I have a lot of worries and concerns for my business. I do not have time to think about anything else.
जिस स्वतंत्रता की वजह से आज लोग व्यापार कर इतने अमीर बन रहे हैं, उन्हीं लोगों को इसकी कोई परवाह नहीं। अगर हमारे देश के महापुरुषों के भी ऐसे ही विचार होते तो क्या मिलती हमें कभी आजादी? चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे कुछ शिक्षकों से और जानते हैं उनकी राय। मैडम, what do you do?
I am a teacher.
Do you think today is an important day?
Yes, of course. Independence Day is important for all of the citizens of our country, and it's a responsibility to pass on this message to the next generation that millions of people have sacrificed their lives to achieve this freedom. So it's a responsibility to know about it, value it, and respect it.
So, are you also a teacher?
Yes, madam, I am a teacher.
Do you think today is... Would you also like to say something on this?
Yes, madam. I fully agree to madam. I feel that the younger generation is forgetting the contribution of great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many others. It is my prime responsibility to make them aware of the sacrifices they have made.
वाह, बिल्कुल सही कहा इन्होंने। हमारे लिए ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है कि हम हमारी अगली पीढ़ियों को ये समझाएं कि आज़ादी कितनी कुर्बानियों से हासिल हुई है और हमें इसका सम्मान करना चाहिए।
Let's all together build a nation which is free from all sort of discrimination and corruption. It's our duty to contribute to the growth and development of our country and make it proud of its citizens. Jai Hind!
Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August every year. On 15 August 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. After independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to hoist the flag at the Red Fort, New Delhi. The three colors of our national flag have their own significance. Saffron color signifies sacrifice and courage. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies faith and chivalry. In the center of the flag there is an Ashok Chakra that contains 24 spokes. We recall the great sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Gandhiji and other daring freedom fighters. Earth is special day for their contribution to the India's independence. Hence, every independence day we only not celebrate for freedom, but we also pay the tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who had a vision for our country, to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same.
Independence Day reminds us to be loyal and truthful to our nation, for the sake of those who lost their lives, for the sake of those who stand at the borders to protect us. Let us respect and love each other, spread brotherhood. This is the true essence of freedom. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. To enhance this feeling of enthusiasm and patriotism, my friends are going to present this song. official national anthem at the time of independence. India's national anthem was adopted 3 years after the independence. Jana Gana Man was written way back in 1911 by Rabindranath Tagore and adopted officially as a national anthem on 24 January 1950.
The tricolour flag, which is the national flag of our India, was developed by our freedom fighter Bengali Venkaiah, who was a farmer from Andhra Pradesh.
The national song Vande Mataram, composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a part of his novel written in 1880. Vande Mataram was adopted as the national song on 24 January 1950.
Jana Gana Man is a national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore.
The blue wheel in the center of the flag is called the Ashok Chakra. It has 24 spokes and it stands for the wheel of laws.
These were some of the interesting facts. Thanks for sharing. Now I will like to call my friends to present a beautiful dance to arouse the patriotic feeling of all present here.
ये देश है वीर जवानों का, बैलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारों, इस देश का यारों क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का कहना। मेरा दूसरा है जवानी के हिंदुस्तानी मेरा दूसरा है जवानी के हिंदुस्तानी सपना की रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला मारे रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला मारे रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला रंग दे, रंग दे।
Shanti Day. On this day, let us also remember the importance of unity and how it played a vital role in our fight for freedom.
In conclusion, I want to remind you all that our freedom is something we must cherish and protect. Our forefathers sacrificed a great deal to get us where we are today. We must never take it for granted. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind.
On this Independence Day, let's take a pledge that we will become responsible citizens of our country. Kindly stand in pledge position and repeat after me. I am proud to be an Indian. And take pride. In my Indian. Identity. I have power. To make my country. One of the best. In the world. I take pledge. To fulfill. All my responsibilities. And work towards. Making my country. Proud always. Jai Hind.
I now request enrichment head to grace the occasion by saying a few words.
Good morning, children. First of all, a big round of applause to class 5C. Is it 5C? Yes, for the wonderful assembly conducted. And congratulations to you too, ma'am. It was really conducted well. And tell me, who can tell me that this is which year of independence? Which year? How many years? Okay. How many years of independence is this? Yes. 78. Okay. Okay. No. So, okay. It is 77 years of independence we've completed. And it is the 78th year of independence. Yes, you're right. Somebody was mentioning about the national flag. So they told us the significance of the colors. Now can you tell me the wheel which is there in the center, what is that called? Ashok Chakra. And then the child was mentioning about there are 24 spokes, right? Who can tell me the significance of 24 spokes in that wheel? That last child over there, yes, the girl, yes, you.
Because there are 24 cities.
24 city. Anybody? Okay, state. Anybody else? 24 hours. Yes. So 24 spokes means 24 hours in a day. So the spokes have been placed equally, right? So that means we have 24 hours in a day. So Ashok Chakra is also called Samay Chakra. Samay Chakra. Samay means time, right? So these are very important things that you should know, children. You should know very well about, you should know about your country. You should know about India and you should be proud to be a citizen of your country, right? And last thing, what is, we are all celebrating Independence Day. Very nicely said that, you know, you ask people and most of them say that, okay, it's a holiday for us. But is it actually so? We need to think about it. Huh? So, when did India get independence?
1947.
So 1947, since that time, you see how safely we are moving around in our country, right? At the end of the day, you're able to sleep safely. You can roam around in your city, in your country safely, and this is because of all the freedom fighters who fought for the country and led freedom, gave us freedom, right? But freedom does not mean that we are going to misuse it. Just now somebody said that we need to protect our country, we need to shoulder our responsibilities and duties well. So all of us as a citizen, we need to take care of our country, we need to see that we do our duties properly, right? Can we all do that? Now what do you mean by duties? Can anybody tell me what do we mean by we should do our duties properly? Anything, if you can say. Yes? Okay, that girl over there, yes, say. Start. Responsible and take care of a country, that's good. But responsible in what way? How do you take care of your country? How do you take care of your country?
We should not trash around the road.
Okay, so taking care of the environment, that's very good. Taking care of the environment, anything else?
Not producing pollution from the factories.
Okay, pollution, so that is again environment. Yes?
Not pollute our rivers.
Anything else apart from taking care of environment? Environment is a major thing which you need to take care. Yes?
By not saving the global warming, by not doing the global warming, we have to save our environment.
You have to save your environment, not violating rules. Huh? Do you understand the meaning of violating? Not violating rules and regulations. Like for example, simple thing like traffic rules or anything. When you don't violate, when you see there is some corruption or there is something wrong going on in your country, you stop that. You protest. Now, you all are too small to protest. At least you can tell your parents that this is something wrong which I have seen. So this is how you need to take care of your country. You need to take, even if you take care of each other, that is also saving, protecting your country, right? So you can tell your teachers and you can really discuss on this. You can really discuss on this in your classes, that how do we take care of our country. So once again, wishing all of you a very happy Independence Day and salute to all our freedom fighters, all our soldiers who are still at the border and protecting our country. They are really, see, they don't get time to sleep. They don't get time to rest. Entire day they are 24/7, they are alert and they are protecting our country, and our country means they are protecting us. So once again, happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Now I invite all the students on stage whose birthday falls between 12th and 17th of August.
My name is Navneet. I am from class 4D and my birthday falls on 17th of August.
My name is Akil and I am studying class 5A and my birthday falls on 16th of August.
My name is Kyansh. I study in 4th A and my birthday falls on 11th August.
My name is Parleen. I study in 4D and my birthday falls on 19th August. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord bless Now I would request you all to stand and I call my friend Gurfateh to give command for the national anthem.
School, attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. Attention!